There they are. Daffodils for spring. Now there's a tui up there. This is
Beautiful.
Victoria Esplanade
Is it?
in Palmerston North, New Zealand. It's an amazing garden and playground.
It is. So beautiful. Beautiful.
Right, we're going to go away from the traffic and down to the beautiful
Wolf. There's a wolf down there.
river. I think it's the Manawatu River.
It's the Rangatiki. Oh no,
We'll find a sign. We'll find a sign and find out.
Two.
We've only lived here all our lives, but we don't know the name of this river. I see a sign. All right. I am right. I love saying that. It's the Manawatu River. There's the baby belly. The grandbaby. Pull up your shirt a bit. Show us that baby. How many weeks are you?
21.
When's your due date?
25th of December.
Christmas Day. You don't care if it's raining, do you? Little beautiful things. The birds are still singing.